Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace your Mazda CX-30 rear wiper blade. First, gather your new wiper blade and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is completely off. It's also a good idea to place a towel on the rear window to protect it from any accidental scratches during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement. Now, let's remove the old blade. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright and locks into position. Next, look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the hook. It should detach with a little effort, so be patient. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new wiper blade with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Once attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Avoid letting it snap down. Finally, test your new wiper blade. Turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper with some washer fluid to ensure it cleans effectively and smoothly across the window. Remember to regularly inspect your wiper blades for any signs of wear, like streaking or chattering, to maintain clear visibility. Also, for an amazing reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.